Assalamu alaikum. Today we are making a video about CST Berger total station. We have to mark the center line of the road with this, and every 25 meters, that is after the input of our 0 point and end point. We will type the point, but first of all, the resection that we have done resection on it according to the reference of our present temporary benchmark. The bearing of our total station is also set, and the angle of the angle is also set. That is, we have we have set it in the working of our project. Now we will go to the it is ASO data. ASO data total station CX105, ASO line, ASO data, and ASO arc are directly given in ASO. In this, the function is that the SO line is not given in this. You will go to the program, you will go to the memory, press M. The memory comes on the second page. On the first page, on the second number, we have the option of program. So, and in that, there are three pages of program in total. 1/3. And now on the third page, when we go down, there is a second page and a third page. On this third page, we have a reference line. Reference line means that our line has any 2 points. On the reference line, we will press F1. F1 is pressed, it is a saying that input point number 1. Now we will put in the first coordinate, which is the channel of our 00. Okay. We have typed it is northing and easting, and there is no need for Z elevation. We will press enter. As soon as we press enter, our input point number 2 coordinates come. That is, we have to type and uh, coordinate of our end line. We will also attain entered the second point, and after input our station come 0 and offset 0 and offset. Now first of all, we have to put the point of 0 and our offset is also 0. So we will leave in there and enter both entered. And next it is telling us the angle, distance, horizontal angle. Now we will turn on the lock of the our machine and move it back. We will close it as horizontal lock and about as 4 to 5 degrees. After that we will go back and forth with the help of it is micro screw. Now we have sent our assistant to the point 0, which we are taking with us. The angle at which it is given reference to the total station, we have put an arrow on our vertical scope so that you can move the prism more. With the help of that arrow, it our range is, for example, then you can move with this arrow right, left, and where there is a micro range. For example, we will see with the help of scope. So in this, our prism will be fixed with the help of this. We have fixed our prism at our designated point where we will observe that the total station. Now you can see them with the total with the help of a scope bubble. This little prism is sitting on its right. I will make it left, and then we will observe. Now I have set it, and we will press its distance. In this, the star is pressed above HD, which is actually the distance of the total station. The distance of the total station is 130.90 meters from where the prism is fixed. Ways to come to my point, it has a difference of 10.30 meters. That is, it will come to me, it will come to the total station. We have set it again. Now we will press it, it is distance again. 1.86 meter, and it will come to me again towards the total station. Now the last thing we have observed, our distance is 0.27 centimeter, that is 3 centimeter, about 1 inch, about 1.25 inches. So right now we are putting it is road center line